Hello, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to set a custom ringtone on iPad mini 7 using GarageBand. You can create your own custom ringtone on your iPad using GarageBand. To do it, go to App Store if you don't have GarageBand yet installed and search for GarageBand. Then install it. Now, since the GarageBand is installed, you can open it. Then click on Continue, Allow, and now you can compose your track. You can either use these instruments that are here, record audio like voice or instruments, plug in external instruments, or use sound library. I'm gonna create drums. You can create anything you want. I'm gonna in drums. You can change the sections, the number of bars. I'm gonna set it to automatic, so it's automatic section length. And when you start recording, you can play on this instrument. You can also change the type of instrument. So to change the type of instrument, you can go back to here and choose smart drums, acoustic drums, beat sequencer, and in other instruments you also have these options. I'm gonna choose beat sequencer, and now let's make a sequence. And when you create this sequence, you can start recording it. To do it, just turn on and start recording. You can stop at the desired length. And now you can see that when you play it on the timeline, it plays the recorded track. You can add more instruments on top of that. So for example, let's now move on to bass or guitar. Let's go to guitar. You can choose smart guitar, which will allow you to play chords automatically. And now let's move on to the beginning of the timeline. And for example, let's play the C, then G chord. And now it's recorded. And since it's recorded, you can play it to listen to it. Of course, it's not the best track, but if you have some time, you can create a better one. And now, click on Files to export it as a ringtone. Click on Files in top left corner. And now press and hold on this song. It's my song 5. Now you can click on share, ringtone. You can name your ringtone. And click on export. You can click on OK and then set it in settings, or just click on use sound as. Standard ringtone, text tone, assign to contact. I'm gonna set it as standard ringtone, but I'm gonna also show you how to set it in settings. So if you want to do it in settings, after the ringtone has been exported, go to Settings app, then go to Sounds, and you can see that my ringtone is set to hard reset. And I'm gonna also change the calendar alert. I can't, so let's change it, for example. Oh, I can just go down. So, for example, in text tone, you need to go down to ringtones, then you can set it. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.